Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. Today we're tackling a question that's been on many minds in the world of education and technology. Can AI replace human teachers? Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a beginner, or a professional, this video will give you a deep dive into the world of AI tutors, their capabilities, limitations, and how they're transforming education. We'll explore the latest advancements in AI-powered learning platforms, discuss whether AI can fully replace human educators, and look at examples of how AI is already being used in classrooms around the world. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how AI is being applied in education today. AI-powered tools are being used to create personalized learning experiences, automate administrative tasks, and even assist teachers in grading and curriculum development. AI tutors are at the forefront of this transformation. These systems use advanced algorithms and machine learning to provide students with instant feedback, custom learning plans, and even adaptive quizzes. But what exactly do AI tutors do, and how are they different from human teachers? AI tutors are systems that use artificial intelligence to assist students in their learning by providing personalized instruction. They can analyze a student's progress, identify gaps in knowledge, and adjust the curriculum accordingly. The goal here is to provide a tailored learning experience for each individual student. One of the biggest advantages of AI tutors is their ability to provide instant feedback. For example, AI-powered platforms like Khan Academy and Duolingo use machine learning to track a student's performance and offer real-time suggestions for improvement. These systems can also adjust the difficulty of questions based on the student's progress, ensuring that each lesson is challenging but achievable. Take Duolingo, for instance. As you progress through language lessons, the app uses AI to determine which areas you struggle with and then tailors future exercises to reinforce those concepts. This ensures that each learner is focusing on their weakest points, making learning more efficient. But it's not just language learning. AI tutors are being applied across various fields, from math and science to history and art. Platforms like Dreambox and Socratic are using AI to create interactive, engaging lessons that adapt in real time to the students' needs. Now let's get to the big question. Can AI actually replace human teachers? While AI tutors are incredibly powerful, they can't fully replicate the human element that teachers bring to the classroom. AI tutors excel in providing personalized, data-driven learning experiences, but they lack the empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence that human teachers offer. A teacher can understand a student's emotions, motivate them through tough times, and provide nuanced feedback that goes beyond correct or incorrect answers. For example, if a student is struggling emotionally due to problems at home, a human teacher can offer support in ways that AI simply can't. Teachers also play a critical role in teaching soft skills like communication, teamwork, and critical thinking, skills that are difficult for AI to foster. So, while AI tutors can certainly assist and augment human teachers, we're a long way from fully replacing them. The true potential of AI in education lies in collaboration between humans and machines. Let's now explore some of the latest tools and techniques that are pushing the boundaries of AI tutoring. Newton is an adaptive learning platform that uses AI to analyze student data and deliver personalized learning paths. It tailors each lesson to the individual student's needs, ensuring that they are constantly challenged and engaged. In China, Squirrel AI is using AI to revolutionize education by offering personalized tutoring at scale. Their system can analyze millions of data points from students' learning behavior and provide precise recommendations for improvement. They've even developed AI systems that can simulate Socratic questioning, helping students develop critical thinking skills. A popular tool for younger students, Google's Socratic uses AI to help students solve homework problems. By simply taking a photo of the question, the AI analyzes it and provides step-by-step explanations, helping students understand not just the answer but the process behind it. These tools are not only making learning more accessible but also more engaging. By providing personalized feedback and interactive learning environments, AI is helping students learn more efficiently and effectively than ever before. While AI tutors are great at delivering personalized instruction, they also play a critical role in helping teachers manage classrooms more effectively. With AI taking on tasks like grading, tracking student progress, and even creating lesson plans, teachers can focus more on what they do best: teaching. This means more time for one-on-one interactions with students, fostering creativity, and addressing emotional or social issues. For example, platforms like Gradescope use AI to assist teachers in grading assignments. The AI can quickly identify common errors, provide feedback, and even flag patterns in student performance that may indicate a need for additional support. In this way, AI isn't replacing teachers, it's empowering them. By automating mundane tasks, AI allows teachers to spend more time on the human aspects of education, like mentoring and motivating students. So, what does the future hold for AI in education? As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced AI tutors that can simulate real-world problem-solving environments, offer even deeper personalization, and perhaps even engage in natural language conversations with students. However, it's unlikely that AI will fully replace human teachers anytime soon. Instead, we're moving towards a future where AI and human teachers work together to provide the best possible education for every student. In hybrid learning models, AI tutors can handle the repetitive, data-driven tasks, while human teachers focus on social and emotional learning, as well as fostering creativity and critical thinking. This combination of AI and human expertise could lead to a more balanced, effective, and inclusive education system. So, can AI replace human teachers? Not entirely. While AI tutors are incredibly powerful tools for personalization and efficiency, they lack the emotional intelligence, creativity, and empathy that human teachers bring to the table. The future of education is likely to be a collaboration between AI and human teachers, where both work together to create the best learning experience possible. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more deep dives into the world of AI, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.